Last time, we learnt a powerful spiritual practice based on verses 6 and 7 of the Ishavasya Upanishad, and today we are venturing into verse 8, which describes the nature of the divine. So, here is the shloka on your screen. Sa Paryagach. It pervades everything, that is, divine is omnipresent. Shukram Akayam, Avranam, Asnaviram. Bright, radiant, but formless, and cannot be harmed because it has no muscles or body. Shuddham, Apapavidham. It is pure and sinless. Kavir, Manishi. It is the all-knowing thinker or philosopher. Paribhu, transcendent, that is, beyond time and space. Swayambhu, self-existent. It is the source of all creation and is not dependent on anything else. Yatha Tathyato, perfectly according to nature. Arthan Vyadadat, Chashvatibhya Samabhya. The Creator is responsible for arrangement of objects eternally throughout time. This refers to the divine's role in the arrangement of the universe, the solar system and the galaxies. So this verse basically describes a theory that modern scientists call as the fine-tuned universe. Just look up at the sky and see all the stars. They are not there just randomly. They are part of a big plan. It is like a huge puzzle where every piece fits just right. This perfect arrangement is called the fine-tuned universe. Think about Earth. It is just the right distance from the sun. If it was too close, it would be too hot. If it was too far, it would be too cold. Our air has the absolute right mix of gases for us to breathe. Even the tiniest changes in the structure of the universe could make life impossible. Think about protons and electrons. They have just the right amount of mass. Not too heavy and not too light. If they were a little bit heavier, atoms would be too unstable, making it impossible for molecules to form. If they were a little lighter, gravity would not be strong enough to hold everything together. At their core, the structures of the solar system, the galaxy and the atom are exactly similar. In each, there exists a central entity around which other components orbit. Like in the atom, protons and neutrons are in the center called nucleus, while electrons revolve around it. Similarly, in the solar system, planets revolve around the sun, which holds them in its gravitational pull. Likewise, within galaxies like our Milky Way, stars, solar systems and cosmic dust orbit a central supermassive black hole. So despite extremely huge differences in scale from such a tiny atom to gigantic galaxies, these systems have the same organizational pattern, reflecting the intelligence, the consciousness, the interconnectedness and harmony that is there in the entire cosmos. Now here's the big question, who is behind all this perfection? The Isha Upanishad provides the idea of a universal consciousness, a kind of big mind that is everywhere. It's like the universe itself is alive, conscious and aware. When we look at the universe this way, we can feel that we are not just here by chance. It makes us grateful. We can feel this connection when we sit quietly and when we are connected with ourselves. It's like we are plugged into the universe's energy. We realize that we are part of something spectacular, something special and something much bigger than us. And we have a role to play in keeping this balance of life going. So let's cherish this gift of life every moment. Let's take care of each other. After all, we are part of this amazingly, perfectly fine-tuned universe. In the next video, we will make a humble attempt to interpret the meaning and wisdom of verses 9, 10 and 11 and explore how it can help us in our daily lives. Namaste.